business medical care. This is a CRRT machine, modality multiplex. Okay, so I will start from the from the basics. In the sense, this machine is capable of doing certain treatment modalities like CVVH, sir already explained. Continue CVVH. Okay, what is CVVH? Yeah, HD, hemodialysis, hemofiltration, and when both are together, hemodiafiltration. Okay, we can do SCUP also. Then we can do MPS, membrane plasma separation. Lot of things are there, but majority of times we go for CVVH. This machine is a totally portable machine. We can anywhere we can plug in, whether it is OT or ICU or recovery room, wherever it is. So it works on the principle of gravimetric scales. Okay, it doesn't need any hydraulic or anything like that. Okay, we have ready-made dialysis fluid. That is we have a CRRT fluid bag. Okay, so that is a isotonic fluid, but sterile in nature. Whereas in dialysis we have that unsterile dialysis is there. That is the major difference. That's why the cost of the fluid is high. So basically, what are the
you understand what he said. So what happens is when we have fluid coming from outside, it comes from the RO plant. रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस होने के बाद वो हमारे डायलिसिस फ्लूइड जाता है. दैट इज नो वे क्लोज टू द पेशेंट. वो अलग है, वो डायलिसिस में अलग चलता है. इसमें भी वैसे ही है, लेकिन द डिफरेंस इज दैट फ्लूइड इज स्टेराइल. सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ योर CRRT इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू एनीथिंग मोर देन द फ्लूइड. सो इफ द फ्लूइड इज हाई, योर कॉस्ट इज हाई. You understand? So if you ask me, one bag costs how much? If you look at it,
MRP 2,700.
Yeah, it costs.
Patient is paying.
Yeah, patient is paying 2,700. Now you put at, if you are usually when you're using 1,000, you are finishing in 5 hours one bag. Now you're finishing, so 2,700 rupees in one 5 hours. That means 24 hours chala, so you're using 5 bags. So 5 bags.
So that is for dialysis. And 5 bags for substitute.
For substitute. So you're using
10 bags for
total 10 bags you're going to use per day.
24.
That is 24 bags. So 27,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees
30,000 rupees
will go per day. So you should know this. Okay, 30,000 per day is going. Okay, 30,000 rupees per day is going. So whenever somebody asks you what is the cost of CRRT, it is anywhere around 40,000 rupees. Because we not only do we use the CRRT bags, we also use a lot of investigations. So with that lot of investigation, PTT करना पड़ता है बार-बार अगर हेपन यूज कर रहे हैं. तो we have to do all these investigations. So the total cost that will come to you to explain to a patient is somewhere around 40,000 rupees per day.
Sir, this is 15,000 rupees.
Yeah.
The cost of filter and the kit.
Yeah. So
and
initially
30,000. So altogether 45,000 plus. So 50,000
around, yeah.
minimum. Okay. Hospital cost and all that comes with it.
And we have not even added the installation charges. So apart from these things, we add something called as installation charges. That means when we are installing it, the hospital charges a certain rent to install it. Okay, we also charge a certain rental for the machine. So overall, the cost will, as Pratap said, will go somewhere near 50. Okay, on an average day, we are doing a lot of changes in our CRRT, so our cost is a little bit lower because we are using lesser fluids, flows, and these things like that. But that's what the average cost would be. Okay.
So CRRT machine works on the gravimetric principle. Okay, we have scale system, balancing scale. That's why it is plus or minus 1 is the resolution. Okay, so even if 1 gram extra you put somewhere, it will give the balancing here. That's a machine is very sensitive, and you have to handle it carefully because this balancing scale maybe with dhakka de diya something like that, then it will start giving. So ideally the machine has got the self test like every other machine.
No, just to I keep interviewing middle. So one of the things that very important as nurses, doctors that you have over here is to actually move the scale, move the machine, not with the machine, not with the scale. It is a very big, very wrong thing that people do. People move it with this.
We have given this.
You cannot push it from, because दिखता नहीं है ना ये. क्या हो जाता है इसमें ना, जब तुम लोग इसको move कर रहे हो ना, major time you stand like this and you move it. It is wrong, completely wrong to do something like this. It will spoil the heart of the machine. The heart of the machine is these scales. It will spoil the heart. So there are places to hold it.
You can see this side one stand is.
You can see the stand. There is a place to hold it. You are supposed to move it like that.
Like this.
Okay. समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ. Always and always you have to move it like this. ऐसे ही move करना है. That is why whenever you are telling a person, मामा को काका को लेके आओ, they will not know only. They will move it like this from the back, and that is how our scales get spoiled.
Exactly.
It's very, very important. The entire scale is lying on a very small pin. There's a very small pin inside. The entire scale is lying on that small pin, and the moment you move it, it completely spoils everything. So it has to be moved from it. Last problem that we had was because of that. Last problem that we had was because of that's what I'm telling you.
And it will say, it will give the message also, scale mode,
Yeah.
scale 1, 2. So basically we have 4 scales, 2 for the sterile fluid, like dialysis fluid and substitute fluid or replacement, they call it. And 1, 2, dialysis, replacement or substitute fluid. 2 more, 3 and 4 for the effluent. That is the filtrate whatever comes, okay, body fluid, dialysis and substitute, that will get
So you understood what is effluent? What is effluent? What is effluent? Whatever is coming out. Whatever is coming out and what you've added also. So you may add a replacement solution. Okay, replacement solution if it's added, that replacement solution, because that's your filtration, that filtration solution as well as your potassium, your calcium, whatever is supposed to come out will be there in the effluent. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर if I want to find out the efficiency of my CRRT machine or my dose of the efficiency of the machine of the what I'm using, the dose is from the effluent.
So if the prescription comes like that, if sir writes the prescription, maybe you start with the 35 ml per 25 to 35, sir. It depends. Okay. So per kg per hour. So according that is nothing but the it is a addition of substitute fluid, dialysate fluid, and body fluid. I mean ultrafiltration.
Yes.
And that,
so I have to whenever you're calculating the dose, it is the combination of whatever is going inside. Simple. Okay. So and in addition to the ultrafiltrate. So the dose is not dependent on the blood pump. You must understand this. अगर मेरे को CVVH को I want the CRRT machine to work better, I don't increase the blood pump. You understand what I'm saying? To improve my dose of my CRRT machine, maybe मेरे को ज़्यादा potassium निकालना है, ऐसा कुछ करना है, ज़्यादा मेरे को निकालना है, यूरिया निकालना है, तो I have to increase the dose, which basically what is the dose? Effluent. And what is the effluent? The effluent is actually a combination of the dialysate that I'm giving, the replacement that I'm giving, and the ultrafiltrate that I'm removing. Ultrafiltrate is the water that I'm removing out, free water that I'm removing out.
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है? Am I clear till now? समझ में आ रहा है तुम लोगों को? तो मतलब मेरे को अगर efficiency बढ़ाना है, it is wrong to say that I increase the blood pump flow. It doesn't make sense only. ठीक है?
Only the prescription will change on the basis of, for example, hyperkalemia is there. Then, sir, doctor may prescribe like maybe one patient is there. The overall 2,500 is his CRT dose for that particular treatment. Then, and patient is a hyperkalemia. Then, may doctor will prescribe there like you instead of that 1,000 something like that. Doctor may ask 1,500 dialysate flow because hyperkalemia because we will use 0 potassium. So that if patient sepsis patient and all, there will go for a higher filtration. That means a replacement fluid will be on the higher side. Okay. So it follows the sequence of four scales. Okay, 4 pumps. Which is pumps? Blood pump. What it is? Filtrate pump. Very good. Substitute. What about this? We got the integrated heating system. That is nothing but a fluid warmer. Okay, we are not here. We don't follow the concept of heating the blood directly. Okay, we have fluid warmer. We will diffuse the temperature. It will give the temperature to the blood.
Now, why is that important? Why do you think that is important? Why do you need something like a warmer in place? So, if tomorrow you want to do hypothermia, the best method for hypothermia is to run fluid fast. The best method in your body to make you cold is to just run fluid fast. Okay, if I run 1000 ml in 10 minutes, you will drop your temperature. If I put 1000 ml, our fluid that is there in our ICU is at 21, 23 degrees. Our fluid is our ICU. You take that fluid, you put it fast in one, if you put a pressure bag and give it in 5 minutes now, person's temperature will drop. Now you are doing the same thing, 2000 ml. It's such a high amount is going through. Okay, if that such a high amount is going through, there is going to be hypothermia. So if I want to continue my CRRT well, the patient's temperature should be stable, and that is why you need to heat the entire thing. That's why you have a heater circuit there. समझ में आ रहा है? We are not heating the blood. We don't heat the blood anytime. We have stopped heating blood for time immemorial. But we are doing this other strategy where we are increasing the fluid temperature. समझ में आ रहा है?
So I use the word integrated heating system. That is a part of a machine. So what are yeah, please come.
पीछे है क्या जगह?
To simplify the whole circuit, we are talking about now prescription come everything is there, and mostly patients are on zero and bleeding tendency. A lot of things are there, so we may not use the anticoagulant also. So in that here you can see the blood pump filter. I told you the circuit you can divide it simple all 1, 2, 3. Okay, one is the extracorporeal blood circuit. Extracorporeal blood circuit is like all about access. From the access it will go to the arterial chamber. Before that, arterial pressure or access pressure or arterial pressure that we have to monitor that. Okay, then it will go to the pump to the dialyzer. Okay, from dialyzer it will get the purification will happen. Okay, or filtration will happen. Then that dialyzed blood, filtered blood will come down to the venous chamber. Venous chamber there will be one air detector. Okay, it's an ultrasonic detection. Any micro bubble is there, it will get detected over here. And then the line clamp, then the optical sensor. This is opaque, non-opaque, dark solution and light solution. It will differentiate. Okay, this is the circuit of the extracorporeal circuit. Then it will go to the
Any doubts now? Any doubts? So, Amit, can you tell the extracorporeal circulation now?
Extracorporeal
Blood circulation.
It will go through.
Start from your
Start from
Axis.
line, vascular
It
axis.
will go to the pump.
Loudly.
It will go to the pump. Then dialyzer.
From pump where it will go?
Chamber.
For
From pump where it will go?
it will go to the chamber.
Chamber.
Arterial chamber.
Okay. Then from the arterial chamber it will go to?
It will go to the dialyzer.
Okay. From the dialyzer?
It will go to the ultrasonic.
Venous bubble catcher.
I detect.
Bubble catcher, and then it will come to
Optical.
Optical sensor.
optical sensor. See, let the right terms come in.
Yeah.
You have access,
Access.
blood pump, then arterial chamber. Then the chamber over here is called arterial chamber.
Then arterial pressure
And
monitor.
arterial pressure monitor. So that pressure monitor is this one.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And from there it goes into the dialyzer. From the dialyzer it comes and then goes into the venous bubble catcher and then the optical sensor. The venous bubble catcher detects microbubbles, whereas optical sensor detects opaque fluid. Or optical sensor detects opaque fluid. So when you start, the blood is opaque.
Right.
So when you start
Saline.
the circulation and saline is there, it will not start the pump. It has to start the rest of the circulation only when it sees the blood, no? So it comes here, when it sees the blood, it starts the pump. That's why this is called as optical detector. It's an optical detector.
Yeah.
Now before we go ahead, very important, okay, what is the line that we're going to put here? What do you think the line should be? Before we go ahead to this machine, which is the line you should put in these cases? So what line? Where? So you have so many ports, right? So where will you put the line? Line किधर डालना है? Huh? Where do you think we should put it? So I'll give you some options. We have 3-4 options. You have IJV, you have left IJV, you have subclavian, you have femoral, okay, and you have cava fix or perm cat or AV fistula. So what will I use? What do you feel we should? Patient has got perm cat, patient got AV fistula, patient has got. What are you going to do? Let's see what he says. Femoral. You don't want to use the perm cat. You don't want to use the AV fistula. Huh? You want to use the perm cath? AV fistula? No. Huh? No. And if you want to use a line, which line you want to use? Jugular? Okay, so let me explain to you what are the differences. The right IJV is a direct connection into the heart. It is a direct connection into the heart. It is small. It is 15 centimeters. Remember this. It is small, so that means the flows are better. The longer the line, the flows are lesser. The longer the lines, the flows are not good. Resistance becomes high as per Poiseuille's law, right? So छोटा line अगर है, और straight line अगर है, तो flows are better. So the right internal jugular is a 15 centimeter line, 12 to 15 centimeter. So it directly goes inside. So the flows are better. The flows are better. That's why the first preference will always be right IJV. Then you might say, why not put a subclavian then? You might say, why not put subclavian? Why don't we put subclavian? Any idea? Because subclavian is a bigger vein. Subclavian is a bigger vein, just straight. So why not use subclavian? So what will the answer be? No, complications is the same almost of that of IJB, only that's difficult to manage those complications. But why? Because I want these patients are the ones in which I want to preserve my hand for AV fistulas. And the incidence of thrombosis is high when you put it in the subclavian. You understand? So if I were to put a subclavian line, okay, my patient will have very high chance of having thrombosis, which will prevent me from putting AV fistulas. So subclavian line is out. CRRT I will not use. Subclavian line. Okay. Coming to the left IJV. Why not left IJV? It is long. The line has to be longer. You can't use the same line. If you are going to have an IJV line which is around 15 centimeters, you need a left one which is 20 centimeters. Because it has to go all the way around and go into the heart. So it is 20 centimeters. So longer the line, more the resistance and more the turns also. So it's got two right angle turns. One right angle turn over here, left, another right angle turn down there. So there are two right angle turns. One here and one here. So long line cannot go in properly. So the flows are lesser, resistance are higher. So we don't want to use left IJV. We don't want to use left IJV. Next is femoral. So unfortunately in intensive care what happens is usually we are already put lines here and there. We don't get place to put anywhere. We don't have options. That's why usually the lines that are put is the femoral. You understand? Because we don't have provision. अपने पास already central line डाल के रखा हुआ रहता है. So it's very difficult for us, and mostly these are those patients in which we are not preemptively putting lines for dialysis. We are first central line डाला है, we are seeing it's not opening, not getting better. Then we put a line. So when we put a lines, that's why we put a femoral. Clear on the femoral? So femoral line. Why am I talking so much about these lines? Because of the fact that if you don't put the line properly, the whole machine doesn't work. The line has to be such that it cannot be the in one which जा रहा है आ रहा है बराबर नहीं आ रहा है, backflow is not okay, not okay. But it has to be a completely normal line. As a nurse, as a doctor in the ICU, you are not supposed to use any line that is not working well, that is not okay, which needs turning, which needs up and down. वैसा line use नहीं करना है for CRRT. Understand this, we are spending more than 20,000 rupees putting up this thing. Okay, you put the line wrong, that thing gets spoiled. समझ में आ रहा है? That thing is, so you can't use. That is why when you're starting CRRT, you have to doubly be sure that your line has got a very good flow. Otherwise, everything will go for problems. समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ, everything. Coming to perm cats and fistulas, you would say fistula तो बड़ा है, best है fistula use करने का. लेकिन fistula you are not going to use because it's precious. You cannot keep the fistula like this only all the time.
Needle
24 hours है, needle लगता है उधर. It is not a catheter, it's a needle. तो पूरा टाइम वो ऐसा बैठ के 24 hours बैठ नहीं सकते, हिलेगा वो. तो हिलेगा निकल जाएगा. जब 4-4 घंटे के लिए कर रहा है, that is okay. लेकिन अगर तुम 24 घंटे के लिए you are going to put in a needle and keep it, it is not possible. It is not physically possible to do that. And it's a precious line. We don't want that to get thrombosis. So that's why we don't. Similarly, the same situation with the perm cath also. With the perm cath also, it's the same situation. Okay, I don't want to use the perm cath primarily because I have a problem. It's a precious one. I don't want to spoil that. That's going to be my long-term thing. That costs 80,000, 90,000 rupees. Okay, I don't want to use that. I'll probably use a femoral line in that case. When you're using a femoral line, what is the problem? The problem is infection. The problem is infection. Okay, the biggest issue is infection. It is very close to the area which gets soiled. It is very close to the catheters. It is very close to motions. So it is a very important line that needs to be taken care of. You might say, if a femoral line, I cannot mobilize the patient, I cannot prop him up. You can. 30 degrees propped up is allowed. Now you can mobilize the patient to 30 degrees propped up. There is no problem. But when you are propping them up, it is important that you look at the pressures here. Okay. So when you prop it up to 30 degrees, look at the pressures. Is the pressure changing? That is why you should know the arterial pressure. That is why you should know the pressure that's coming from there into this. So if this pressure is showing a problem, access pressure is showing a problem, which is in red color over here, means where is the problem? It is in the line. So as a person in the ICU, when you are actually looking at this, you are supposed to look at it, pressures are going up, there is some problem. If I say, ठीक है, चल रहा है, ऐसे करेगा ना, within some time, this will not work properly. You will have a problem. CRRT is not something that I can do or you can do. Everybody should be able to do. Okay, if everybody is not able to do ना, it is a failure of the entire system. Because वो कुछ ना कुछ problem हो जाएगा, फिर ये block होएगा, वो block होगा, समझ में नहीं आएगा क्या हो रहा है. So we cannot do that. That's why everybody should have same knowledge. You understand? Clear on this?
Yes, thank you. So, sir correctly said that it is user-friendly machine. This machine, when they design this machine, it is different from hemodialysis machine. By what means? It has got all the instructions are given right from the seat. Now machine is telling no solution bag on the scale. Everything is all the written instructions are there. Just you have to follow one by one. How to set the. So first I will go for the self test mode is there. Without self test, you cannot proceed. Next page पे नहीं जाएगी machine, right? So first before opening the safety, because consumables are very costly. So first you assure that everything, all the consumables are available. Mainly the fluid bags are available in the inventory we have. Okay. Then my machine is in. I mean, it is a test.
So Prathamesh said such an important word. This has happened in the recent past also. When I have told to do a CRRT, and then you all have not tested the machine, you all have asked for the circuit, you all have opened it, and then we found out that the machine is not working. So the moment we say we want to do CRRT, get the machine to the bedside, switch on the machine, keep it away from air, and switch on and see the self test. It's very important before you even talk to the relatives. I feel.
So wherever you want park, there also you can simply pass.
Pass, let it pass.
Hardly 1.5 to 2 minutes.
Once it passes, then you can talk to the relative. Otherwise, you imagine you have completely counseled the relative for a 50,000 rupee procedure, and then we tell the relative it's not working. It's very difficult to then convince कि हम लोग उनको पूरा convince किया है कि भाई intermittent hemodialysis is this problem, CRRT is this better, that is why we're going to do CRRT. We are spending so much of money, and we cannot do the other. We normally say we cannot do the other method. Okay, and then we come and say, "Arey, it's not working." This happened recently also, na? This happened recently also. So always remember this before we talk about CRRT. Switch on the machine, see whether it's working. Then we go ahead. And this when you say self-test, some numbers come on it.
Yeah. You want to see that?
Yeah, you need to show that. Yeah.
Okay. Switch off the machine. हो गया पास. See, self-test in the sense it will pass all the parameters, mainly functioning of the 4 pumps, roller pumps are there, okay? Roller pumps are there, peristatic, they will, roller pumps, what will, these are the heater, so it will check the heating element, everything, okay? Air detector, ultrasonic detector, this is a blood leak sensor. Blood leak sensor is all about, you know, that when the effluent is, or the filtrate is going to the filtrate bag, if any sort of rupture is there in the membrane, where it will get mixed, the blood will mix with the effluent or the dialysis, spent dialysis, okay? And that will be detected only. This is the blood leak
So
sensor.
understood this? Understood what is happening here? So if I have a give me a pen. And dialysis going this way, right? Now this membrane cannot allow the blood. Cannot allow the blood to come here. There is no way that the blood is coming in contact with dialysate. There is no way. There is no way that the blood is coming in contact with the dialysate. समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ? Now what can occur sometimes? ये membrane फट गया है. हाँ? Membrane फट गया for whatever reason. We don't know what. Membrane फट गया for whatever reason. तो क्या होगा? कि थोड़ा सा blood इसमें से mix होने चालू हो जाएगा. हम लोगों ने क्या बोला कि जो effluent नीचे आ रहा है, it is a combination of this fluid that is coming from here, which is QD and QR, dialysate fluid and replacement fluid. समझ में आ रहा है? तो प्लस UF जो हमने ऐड किया, जो UF निकल रहा है यहाँ से, ठीक है, जो UF निकल रहा है यहाँ से, इसका कॉम्बिनेशन आ रहा है बाहर एफ्लुएंट करके बैग के अंदर. अब इसमें ब्लड कभी आएगा? अगर ये ब्लड इसके साथ मिक्स होकर हो रहा है. समझ में आ रहा है? तो अगर मेम्ब्रेन रप्चर हो गया, इट इज वेरी डिजास्टरस, वेरी वेरी डिजास्टरस. ठीक है, अगर मेम्ब्रेन रप्चर हो गया तो ये पूरा यहाँ पर ब्लड दिखेगा. अभी पेशेंट विल स्टार्ट लूजिंग ब्लड, नो, क्योंकि ब्लड वहां से निकलेगा. You understand? That's why this machine is very friendly, excessively friendly machine. The moment it happens, it will stop.
Yes.
You understand? Because it's catastrophic. Imagine that you are putting 150 ml per minute, and blood is coming out from there. Imagine the amount of blood that you can lose. Okay? Huh? But I have not seen it till now. I mean, abhi tak, I have not seen one blood leak detector. I've used it for long years, but I have not seen even one time blood coming out. Okay? Okay, I've never. IIB में दिखा हुआ, लेकिन इसमें कभी दिखाई नहीं.
Because we follow certain protocols. For example, tolerance level is there. Mainly, the tolerance of the dialyzer membrane, it is reflected in the form of transmembrane pressure. So, sir, we always keep maximum 200, 300. They better you change the right. If you keep on running this, this type of episode may occur. Okay, so parameter it will check 1, 2, 3, 4. Mainly it will check the four 4 scales. There I told you the resolution only 1 gram. So that scale 1, scale 2, 3, 4 heater, pumps. Okay. Then the air detector, blood leak sensor, everything it will check. Even the battery backup and everything it will check. Okay. Then test pass. Then you are supposed to open the set and start priming. It's a auto priming. All the instructions are given. Just initially, just follow it one by one like that. But I will make it bit simple. Continuation to my extracorporeal blood circuit, you know now, right? From the arterial pressure monitor before blood pump, the arterial pressure. Why not after? Arterial pressure, it always comes, the monitor line comes before the pump. It is a pre-pump fault. Can anybody tell me what is the arterial access pressure? It should be positive or negative? Negative, because it comes pre blood pump, the arterial pressure monitor. So it is, and venous we are pushing.
समझ में आया? Do you understand that? हाँ, because the other day you all calling me not able to tell me what you are looking at. तो तुम लोग अगर आदि बदली कर दिया ना लाइन को, तो आदि बदली हो जाता है वो.
Yes.
हाँ, समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ, तो you all will not understand really what is happening, कि क्या हो रहा है. So जब यहाँ से खींच रहा है ब्लड, यहाँ से खींच रहा है ना ब्लड, यहाँ से हम लोग यहाँ से खींच रहा है ब्लड, तो नेगेटिव है. So it's pulling. तो रेड कलर जो रहता है वो पुल कर रहा है, तो इसलिए हमारा प्रेशर जो रेड में दिखेगा वो नेगेटिव में रहेगा. हाँ, वो ज्यादा नेगेटिव अगर हो गया तो अपना लाइन में प्रॉब्लम है. समझ में आ रहा है?
One scenario like maybe somebody one day it happened. They noticed that the arterial pressure is on the positive side. What could be the reason? What sir said? First of all, change हो सकता
No,
है.
you changed it.
But after some time machine will give you alarm also. It will sense because we have a pre-filter, so it will. Most importantly in hemodialysis, because every day we have that anastomosis for the fistula surgery and all. Maybe by mistake, थोड़ा prick, because technicians, उनके skill level, maybe somebody, quite possible that somebody already pricked the arterial. Then the arterial pressure will go high. I mean on the positive side. So that is why monitoring of arterial pressure or access pressure is very very important in all the extracorporeal therapies. Okay, so just so switch on the machine. Before that, you have to keep that in a plain surface. In corporate hospitals, no problem, but in the hospitals like government hospital, KEM में वगैरह, sometimes ना वो लादी वगैरह तो थोड़ा level में नहीं रहता है, then it will not pass the test. Okay, so that so most importantly, I cannot keep this machine here. यहाँ पे blow है. I already told you 1 gram का resolution है. So if the AC blow comes also, इसके ऊपर आ जाएगा, it will fail the test. So there is nothing wrong with the machine that you should. So these are some prerequisites that one should follow. Then nothing is there on the scale. If machine is free, not touching anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you. Now you can, if somebody is interested, you can see one by one. This scale 1, 2, 3, 4, tick, 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 like that. Let's see. See 1, 2, 3, 4 scales first, followed by. This is the main hurdle. Other parameters they will never. This thing. Then blood pump, filtrate pump. It is checking roller pumps. 4 pumps. Then 4 monitor lines. What are the 4 monitor lines in CRRT? There are 4 monitor lines. We are monitoring 4 pressure.
देखो ना इसमें क्या क्या प्रेशर है.
Artery venous, pressure and line, monitor line. वो एक pre-filter pressure, and last one is the negative or filtered pressure, ultrafiltration. So why pre-filter pressure? Because to calculate TMP, that P1 plus P2, P1 dialyzer, P2 divided by 2 minus negative pressure, that is the calculation of TMP.
So this is not for us basically. So the machine
The machine-
machine calculates TMP based on pre-filter pressure and filtrate pressure. It's like ECMO. I don't know if you've done ECMO.
Sir, P1 is filtrate pressure, P2 is venous pressure.
Venous pressure. हाँ.
Yeah. और negative pressure है, that is
Field rate pressure. So it's not related to us. हम लोग को problem नहीं है इसमें. हम
No,
क्या
that-
लगाना है?
that-
हाँ?
but-
But that's the mechanism.
Yeah.
Okay.
So why pre-filter pressure? Significance उसका क्या है? Okay. So now let's see the test is passed. Okay. Then select a new treatment. I'll go for a new treatment. So better whether it is multiplate or multiplate pro or newer machine also. It is advisable that better you go for a high-end therapy. HDF. That is a combination of HF also. So at any point of time you can taper down come down to the order. You can do it HD or HF. But don't start with HD and then maybe after 24 hours the prescription changes. Then you have to return the blood and you have to prime the whole. So that is the system everyone follows. That's better you start a high-end therapy like CVVH, HDF. तो और पूरा pumps आ जाएगा. Everything will be there as a circuit. You prime and keep it. If you don't want, go to that particular pump, zero करके off भी कर सकते हैं. You can, whenever you want, you start that. Or go with a lower dial set flow, that is 10 ml per minute. So that's, but don't go for 2 days back something happened in Delhi. They started with CVSD and then they wanted to, can we switch over to this thing like that? It was new machine, no? Then we told that, so better while training only we tell them, better to go for higher end and then they can come down to any other treatment like that, okay? Switch over to any other treatment like that. So now I'll go for CVSDF. CVSDF, all the conditions fulfill here. DF, conditions fulfill. See, schematic already diagram is there. You can simply, on the right hand side there are instructions. You connect the filter, first the dialer, filter will come here, okay? Then the cassette.
You can do it. कर सकते हैं.
अभी करो आप ऐसा डिजाइन किया ना, you can look at this. दिख रहा है? Anybody can see like this? Okay. So it will work. Just look at me. Everything is written over there. So initially when somebody is just learning how
So
to
most
do-
of them have read everything.
Very
So
good, very
you can.
Okay,
proceed, हाँ.
so but these
You
are the
can go,
basic
yeah,
things that
yeah.
better you follow the sequence,
Yes.
okay? 1, 2, 3. See? Everything is written over there, huh? And this is what? Extracorporeal blood circuit and filtrate pump is also there. So this cassette will go like this. Fix it, bubble cassette. So my cassette is balanced. Of course you have to follow the aseptic technique, green towel वगैरह डाल के properly. Because you know these things and all ना, sometimes the cap थोड़ा dislocate हुआ है तो properly सब tight करके it will touch somewhere like that. Then next step is एक groove में डाल दो. Right? Then it will ask start. See? Okay. Optical sensor line करें. See? This will go to the dialyzer. This will go to the dialyzer in, dialyzer out. Right? 4 monitor lines. Then 4 this is a venous line, venous monitor line. Okay.
समझा ना एक्स्ट्रा कॉर्पोरल समझा ना ये डायलिसिस रॉड समझा ना तुम लोग. So this is coming from where?
Sir, I'll show you. See. It will go to the axis. Okay, artery. Red in color. Color coded. Everything is color coded. एकदम simple है to learn. This is color coded artery. It will go to the arterial axis. Lumen जो है ना, artery to no, this is blood pump से पहले there will be arterial pressure monitor. Pre pump पूरा pre pump. Okay. Then pump से arterial arterial chamber.
Chamber.
Okay. So from arterial chamber it will go to the dialyzer. Dialyzer in blood in red में arterial blood बोलते हैं. This is called arterial blood pump. इसलिए the in color coding is red. Okay, good. Now from the filter blood out. It is purified, so the color is changed. It will come to the venous chamber. Okay, venous monitor line. Again, it will come in blue color. Monitor line also. Okay, arterial pressure comes in red color. Yes, see red. Okay, then air detector, bubble catcher, air detection, line clamp, optical sensor, opaque, non-opaque. Then it will go back to the patient. Return line बोलते हैं उसको. Arterial cord access. Okay, so access pressure, return pressure. Arterial pressure, venous pressure. Okay, so this is the extracorporeal blood circuit where the blood is flowing through. Now there is a filtrate circuit. Filtrate is nothing but this. I will connect it to the dialysis compartment. You can look at this. Yes. So every filter has got two compartments. One is the blood compartment, blood in, blood out. Other one is dialysis in dialysis.
So in no time is the filtrate in contact with blood. Remember this. In no time is the filtrate in contact with blood. Okay, there are different compartments. Like हम लोग draw किया ना, वैसा है ये. हाँ, ठीक है.
So when you are priming, you are supposed to keep the dialyzer inverted. Okay, ulta. Okay, then just I will fix it so that the circuit will be more visible.
ये उल्टा क्यों रख रहे हैं हम लोग? ताकि हवा ऊपर चले, बाकी कुछ नहीं.
Right.
समझ रहे? हवा ऊपर चले इसीलिए कर रहे हैं. हाँ?
So this is the blood leak sensor. Okay, this is the filtrate line. So filtrate is all about filtrate compartment. This is a filtrate compartment, right? So this is blood in. So by default the dialysate will come on opposite direction.
समझा ना?
Yes, yes.
Dialysate will come. Last time ये mistake किया था ऊपर. Last time when I came, so I saw this on the 11th floor. तो you all had उल्टा इसको उल्टा कर दिया था.
Yes. Efficiency.
Efficiency will go down. Patient will not do well. Hemodynamics will not improve.
Why? Why we should connect the counter current? What we call co current or counter current? Why counter current? Exactly.
समझा ना क्यों करने का?
So basically diffusion.
So it's like this, no? It's so simple it is. So if I want to draw it out for you, so say you have, let's take two ways. Okay, this is one. Okay, this is one, and this is another one. Okay, now I'm going to put both the techniques together to use. Okay, now you have in this, as you see here, blood is coming from down. Okay, so let's put blood from down. Okay, this is blood from down. QB, blood going from down. Okay, now I'm going to put this compartment by QD. Okay, and I'm now going to put this QB and this QD. This is counter current. This one is counter current. Right. So let me take that this has got large amount of creatinine or potassium. Take for example, this has got potassium. And we want to get that potassium out. Okay. So as the blood goes from here, there is no potassium. This is 0K. अपना जब भी 0K बोलते हैं, 2K बोलते हैं, 4K बोलते हैं, मतलब इसके अंदर हम क्या डाल रहे हैं वो उसके ऊपर है. समझ में आ रहा है? It is basically what I'm putting over here. तो समझ लो 4K है मैंने यहाँ पर डाला हुआ है. 4K डाला हुआ है. हाँ. तो इसके अंदर क्या होगा? ये इधर आएगा तो इधर नेक्स्ट इसमें ये 3K हो जाएगा. ये नेक्स्ट इसमें 2K हो जाएगा, फिर 1K हो जाएगा. इक्वल हो जाएगा, सॉरी इक्वल. ये 2 और 2 पे अटक जाएगा, ये 1K नहीं होएगा. ये समझ में आ रहा है? जब ये और 2 हो जाएगा तो ये ऐसा हो जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? मतलब ये टाइप का ये फिल्टर में आप लोगों को फायदा ही नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? ये 4 पोटेशियम था, तो नेक्स्ट थोड़ा देर आगे गया तो ये 3 पोटेशियम हो गया, ये भी 3 हो गया, फिर आगे गया 2 और 2 हो गया. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं होने वाला. इक्विवेलेंट हो गया, इक्विलिब्रियम हो गया वो. अभी मैं उसको उल्टा कर देता हूँ. मैं इधर 5 डाल रहा हूँ, 4 डाल रहा हूँ, और मैंने यहाँ से चालू कर दिया उसको. हाँ, यहाँ से ये तो 0 हो गया. समझ में आ रहा है? तो एज इट इज कमिंग हियर, इधर तो और ज्यादा फटफट करके निकलेगा, वो ऊपर भी और निकलेगा, इधर भी और निकलेगा. समझ में आ रहा है? क्योंकि वो नया फ्रेश आ रहा है यहाँ से, एकदम इसमें कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पर इसमें ऊपर जा रहा है तो इसमें कुछ तो है. सो वो डिफ्यूजन जल्दी होता नहीं है. इसलिए efficiency of the filter is higher when you have counter current. समझ में आ रहा है? You're understanding this? ठीक है. So that's the point. So the blood is going from here. Sister, where will the dialysate go from? If the blood is going from here, where the dialysate will go from? नहीं समझा. So Sadiq, where to go from? If the blood is going from here, where the dialysate will go from? Where will I attach dialysate? ऊपर ऊपर मतलब यहाँ से.
Right, both sides.
समझ में आ रहा है? मतलब यहाँ से. अगर ब्लड यहाँ से अंदर घुस रहा है तो डायलिसिट यहाँ से जाएगा. ब्लड इधर से जाएगा तो डायलिसिट ऊपर से आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? तो यहाँ से आएगा.
I'll just connect the dialysate line also.
समझ में आया? हाँ? ठीक है.
Okay, so that hard.
हाँ.
ठीक है, no. So थोड़ा it's broken but somehow ना. See, dialysate is like same ना, this growth ना, it should go like that. It is written there. Start with. Oh, you put on it. Okay.
उसको थोड़ा सा निकालना पड़ेगा, एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा उसको.
Adjust करना.
हाँ.
Yeah, yeah.
उसको सिखाते सिखाते वो निकल गया था वो.
Nice. वो अगर
हाँ, और उसका वो निकल गया था. हाँ. पहले उसको जाने दो, उसके बाद उसको
okay. So blood in dialysate. Right. Filtrate form. Okay. Then this will go to the dialysate connections. I mean the dialysate fluid. Dialysate. Replacement के लिए दूसरा replacement.
it is just, what is this? What methodology is this? Filtration.
That's hemofiltration.
Convection.
Convection.
Basically convection.
Very
You understand? It's not
common.
replacing anything. It's not substitute for anything. It is just convection.
Finger mark. Similarly, from down to up, because the air, it will deaerate the whole thing. It should be, ये भी एक ट्रबल शूटिंग में आता है. Sometimes sir it happens by mistake ना, instead of replacing like this, placing like this, somebody by mistake हरी वरी में ऐसा कर दिया. Now what will happen, during priming itself ना, the whole that chamber will not get primed completely. Lot of air and lot of हवा भी रहेगी, lot of. So you will able to start the treatment. जैसा आधा घंटा 1 घंटा हो जाता है ना, it will start giving what alarm? Air नहीं. What alarm? What is this? High temperature alarm.
So यही हो रहा था ना. सब last when you all were doing it, I came and I said हीटर वाला मारा है, चल नहीं रहा है. फिर मैं आके पूरा का वापस खराब हो गया हमारा. पूरा क्लॉट हो गया, ये हो गया, वो
So
हो गया.
because there's some technology, you can see the heating element is there. Sir, देखो ना, एक ring है, steel ring is there ना, ये steel दिख रहा है. So once it is not filled completely, it will not touch. So it will give high temperature alarm because it is not touching. Okay, so that is the one. So you should always keep. It will, while priming, it will fully prime and it will remove deaerate the air like this. Okay. Okay, so ideally this will go to the substitute bags. Okay, you can keep 2 bags at a time, but we don't keep since the concentration varies. So bag अपना waste हो जाएगा. Okay. So this will go to replacement. It will go to dialysate and see now the circuit is such that dialysate pump. Okay, dialysate heater going to the dialysate in. Okay, QD बोलते हैं. This is QD. Okay. Next substitute solution back. Scale 2 is the substitute solution. Okay, from the pump. Heater, very good. This is a substitute heater. This is dialysate heater. देखो indication green, white. Okay, substitute heater से कहाँ पे जाएगा? बाय डिफॉल्ट रोज उधर ही जाएगा. प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में क्या लिखा है? प्री डाइल्यूशन लिखा है, पोस्ट डाइल्यूशन लिखा है. सर समटाइम्स
I have explained to them, but they don't understand. Last time I explained to them.
so what is pre dilution, post dilution? Pre dilution CVVHDF, post dilution सर लिखते हैं ना, तो क्या उसका मतलब क्या होता है? And when we use pre dilution, ideally it should be post dilution to maintain the efficiency, क्योंकि blood flow slow रहता है, lot of things are there. So whenever there is a bleeding tendency है, INR high, lot of things are there, okay? Coagulation profile में थोड़ा that dengue वाले patient है वगैरह वगैरह, there we give zero anticoagulation, right? Then there are chances of filter clotting or lot of things are there. That time you are supposed to give pre-dilution method. That means your substitute fluid all the time it is flowing through the dialyzer membrane. So the compatibility, it may not get clots, coagulation, clotting, and these things will be minimized. So that is, otherwise it.
समझा तुम लोग कि नहीं? Okay, I'll explain to you. See, so here you have dialysate, you have QD, and your replacement fluid is also coming from somewhere. Okay? Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? And so dialysate तुम्हारा समझो यहाँ से आ रहा है, तुम्हारा replacement fluid अंदर it is going inside. Now, if I have lot of I'm not using what is going to happen in the filter? There is going to be clotting होने वाला है वो. Okay, हम लोग को I want to ensure that I want to keep this filter patent. Normally कोई भी किसको भी patent रखने हम क्या करते हैं, हम flush करते हैं. कुछ भी करने के लिए हम लोग flush करते हैं, बराबर? मतलब flow rate increase करते, dilute कर देते हैं. We dilute the blood so that the filter does not clot. समझ में आ रहा है? Now what I can do is my replacement is going at 1000 ml per hour. This is going at 1000 ml per hour. I can pass this along with the blood. I am passing my replacement along with the blood. When I am passing my replacement along with the blood at 1000 ml per hour, blood pump 150 ml per minute, and this is going pre-dilution as 1000 ml per hour. This is continuously flushing. समझ में आ रहा है? This is continuously flushing. तो मतलब continuously flush होता रहेगा. लेकिन इससे क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है? अगर मैं continuously flush कर रहा हूँ तो क्लॉट तो नहीं हो, क्लॉट कम हो जाएगा, लेकिन क्या होगा? डाइल्यूट हो जाएगा. अगर ये डाइल्यूट अगर हो गया तो मेरा जो मेरे को एफिशिएंसी करना है, ये यहाँ पर 4 था, अभी मैंने को डाइल्यूट कर दिया था, आधा हो जाएगा ये. सो मेरा एफिशिएंसी डाउन हो जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? मेरा एफिशिएंसी बिकॉज ये डाइल्यूट हो रहा है. समझ में आ रहा है? सो माय फिल्टर लाइफ विल बी लॉन्गर, but my efficiency of the filtration will be much lower. समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ? Other way around, if I am not doing this, means it is post dilution. मतलब मैं फिल्टर के बाद लगा रहा हूँ. समझ में आ रहा है? Post dilution मतलब फिल्टर के बाद लगा रहा हूँ, तो efficiency would be better then. समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ? ठीक है. Post dilution, okay?
Yes. Okay. So the already if you look at the I already explained you the color code about the color coding. Right? So this is the post dilution. The cap will be blue cap. Whenever the new circuit will be there, this is for the post dilution. You can look at this. See, this is the post dilution. During priming, we are supposed to connect it to the post dilution.
Always, huh?
Yeah. In our new machine, we have both the. You can but you have to select it. Pre dilution में priming करना है, post dilution.
Okay.
Okay. And at any point of time, you can switch her.
Okay.
Ask the machine, I want to change from post dilution. If it is pre dilution running, then it will display only post dilution. Switch your to like that. Okay. So here manually we can go to this. Okay. This is a post dilution. Go to back change option.
समझ में आ रहा है? पोस्ट डाइल्यूशन क्यों है ये?
This is post dilution.
प्री डाइल्यूशन का है।
हाँ ये देखो, ये जो है ना,
अच्छा वो
ये देखो back करो तो this is, you know, this blue cap ना, blue cap stands for, sorry, blue cap will be there, that is it ideally it will come over here. Clear cut indication है, ये post है, post filter है ना, post dilution, and red cap will be there for this pre. Okay, so that is the, so I will connect it pre dilution में, I will connect it over here. Okay.
So you can connect it here, or you can even connect it here if you want. Okay, but only the flow rates change a little. But it has to come before the filter.
Sir, this is.
But this is the right method.
I will tell you. We can connect it here, but only thing is that whenever there is, it's a pre. There is the excess pressure, something that's suctioning, na. That will maybe machine will start giving alarm.
May start giving alarm. Yeah.
Because it will not compensate that. I am giving this much and there is some suction like that. So this is the correct way. Okay. So it can be even here also you can connect it here. But better.
So when the TMP goes up, and when I say convert to pre-dilution, what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to switch up or go to back change option, बंद करो और फिर go from here, put it into this side. So जब प्रेशर्स बढ़ रहे TMP का, this is what you're supposed to do. This is what I'm telling you. Basically अगर समझ हमने डिसाइड किया, हमने एंटीकोगुलेशन बंद ही कर दिया पूरा. हाँ, एंटीकोगुलेशन बंद ही पूरा या एंटीकोगुलेशन बंद कर दिया, फ्लशिंग मशीन नहीं करना है, हमको यही करना है. फ्लशिंग मींस यू ओपन द सर्किट एंड फ्लश, नो इन्फेक्शन का प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. इसको इधर लगा देने का. समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ?
at any point of time. If it is maintaining the thing that you can just switch over to pre to post, post to pre. What else? Now I'll be talking about the priming that because you know this pump it will not today I will not do priming.
Why it will not work?
Oh, खींच ले. Generally priming is all about CRT priming 1, 2, 3. उसमें 3 phases रहते हैं. First is about priming the whole circuit. उसमें we are already divided. What? Extracorporeal blood circuit, filtrate, dialysate and substitute. So once I fix the lines, okay, start priming, automatically it will prime the whole extracorporeal blood circuit.
No. Where to attach the fluid, where to attach बताओ.
Yes.
हाँ.
So fluid, you know, I told you. This is dialysate.
For priming and all.
Priming, yeah. So this is I will connect it to the multi-beam solution.
चल लगा दो.
एक compatible. If even we can use sulfur, then we need to have a pipe. Okay. So this is the compatibility. You can take fire for this. Okay. And then like tilted, no? You should keep it plan. Keep it plan. See, it should be like this. Huh? Please look at this. Yeah, your back should totally relax on this thing. ऐसा मत. Why?
It should be flat, no?
Flat. It should totally relax.
It should not
little.
move, basically.
Why not like this?
Because the move
Balance
is
will change.
Create balance.
Fluid is there, that will be balanced. Not like this. It should be like this because you know, once the fluid is getting over, maybe it makes that air, and it will give that. Once the air is also coming, no, it will without machine will not detect it. It will get introduced, then machine will detect. So that is always try to keep like this, and before 5 to 10 minutes you will get the alarm. Bag is getting empty in 5 to 10 minutes like that. But if you keep the machine starting like this, then machine will not sense it that you are not. Okay. So all the time, see, this is the way. The back should be. These are the scales. So the back should be relaxed like this. Like this. Okay. Good. Then this is for dialysate. Another one for the replacement. वो भी लगा देते हैं.
अच्छा ये निकल. इसका भी ठीक है नहीं माफ डिस्टर्ब कर देते हैं.
No, we'll try. 4 monitor lines will connect. We will go for priming. What is this monitor line? Monitor. Okay, good.
So what will that tell us? Axis pressure. Axis pressure. Okay.
What is this?
Venous.
So venous.
What does this do? This helps in the calculation of TMP. ठीक है?
What is this?
Pressure.
Pressure.
Again, this helps in the calculation of TMP.
Nothing but the negative pressure. Okay. Minus. Yes, minus negative pressure. And fourth one is
white.
what is that? ये क्या मॉडल है?
Substitute.
नहीं. कौन सा प्रेशर है वो? आर्टरी प्रेशर, वेनस प्रेशर?
From where is this coming? हाँ?
Pre-filter pressure. Before filter, blood entry से पहले आ रहा है. Okay.
समझ रहे हैं?
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pumps connected. This thing, everything is connected now. Now I will connect this.
So axis pressure.
Axis pressure.
What is this?
Pre-filter
Pre-filter
pressure.
pressure. What is this?
Venous pressure.
What is this?
Filter.
हाँ? So this will be negative. रेड यहाँ पर नेगेटिव दिखेगा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ? ये नेगेटिव रहेगा. ये पॉजिटिव रहेगा. ठीक है?
Okay. So ideally, while priming, you are supposed to connect this replacement substitute line to the Y connector. दिख रहा है? You can this venous chamber के ऊपर. Okay. Priming के. So post dilution में लगाना है. Okay. So it is connected. just check before starting the priming. ये दे देना already fluid connected है एक saline हाँ filtered bag yeah so filtered bag this is a filtered bag 10 liter filtered bag हाँ filtered bag को what have you connect which part to connect filtrate see filtrate okay from the filter this will aspirate the things okay then it will go to the blood leak sensor to the effluent bag में okay so filtered bag में मैं ये लगा दूँगा right before starting priming before you start priming no just follow the diagram set up okay 1 2 3 4 okay so but this will go to the see this bag drain bag comes with the set extra को वेनस जो ड्रेन करते हैं ना हम लोग तो ये कनेक्टेड है ड्रेन बैग सलाइन प्राइमिंग का जो रहता है
तो नॉर्मली कनेक्टेड आता है ये ब्लू के साथ कनेक्टेड आता है
इट कम्स ओके और आर्टरी को एक सलाइन दे देना
now we have to for priming the pump has to feel that there is getting blood from somewhere
Right.
so is getting water from somewhere so कहाँ से हम लोग का आर्टरी लाइन से ब्लड बाहर आता है तो हम लोग वहाँ पर फ्लूइड लगा रहे हैं ठीक है
ये पकड़ना
समझ में आ रहा है
आईवी से कवर कर एक आईवी
नहीं,
से
उधर तक जाएगा ही नहीं
एक
ना
आईवी से
रुक जा
अच्छा
हाँ
IV से
अभी से लेके आया था ना
whenever new set is there ये भी है ओके बेटर आईवी सेट एक आईवी लगा के डाउन दे आइडियली ये इससे भी स्पाइक कर सकते हैं बट आई वांट टू रन डमी ट्रीटमेंट भी करेंगे हम लोग ओके this is circulation के लिए cap for example you want to move the patient to some OTVT में कहाँ पे लेके जाना है okay what we will do we will return the blood to the patient okay fill the circuit with the saline put it in circulation back change में जाना it will not give enough let that saline get circulated so that clotting will
You
not
understood what he said? तो समझ लो हम लोग को कोई भी तरीके से हमको ये पेशेंट को मोबिलाइज करना है फ्रॉम बेड नंबर 1 टू बेड नंबर 7 समझ लो ऐसा कुछ करना है या पेशेंट को मूव करना है यहाँ से ओटी में मूव करना है हाँ तो हम लोग इसके साथ तो मूव नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि इसका 10 मिनट होता है 15 मिनट कुछ होता है इसके बाद बंद हो जाएगा ये और उसको हिला भी नहीं सकते हम लोग समझ में आ रहा है हिला नहीं सकते हिलाएगा सब वेट इधर उधर हो जाएगा तो हम क्या करने का वो कंडीशन में वो कंडीशन में अभी ब्लड चल रहा है समझ लो पूरा ब्लड चल रहा है सब जगह सब ब्लड चल रहा है तो हम बैक चेंज ऑप्शन में जाएंगे और इसको हम लोग ओपन करेंगे पेशेंट को डिस्कनेक्ट करेंगे पेशेंट को डिस्कनेक्ट करेंगे तो कौन सा अंदर लाइन रहेगा अंदर वेनस लाइन रहेगा मतलब रिटर्न लाइन रहेगा हाँ लेकिन हम वो एक्सेस ब्लड बाहर निकालना नहीं चाहते इसलिए हमको इसको डिस्कनेक्ट करेंगे रेड वाला डिस्कनेक्ट करेंगे डिस्कनेक्ट करके इसको हम लोग ये ब्लू कनेक्टर लगा के लगाएंगे इसमें से अभी 500 ml है पानी ये जब वो पंप चालू रहेगा तो क्या अंदर जाएगा पानी अंदर जाएगा
पानी
समझ रहे हैं पानी पूरा अंदर जाएगा और पूरा सर्किट का जो भी ब्लड है अंदर जो भी ब्लड है वो पूरा रिटर्न ब्लू लाइन से हो जाएगा पेशेंट के अंदर ये पूरा लाइन से ब्लू लाइन से वो पेशेंट सिंपल है हम लोग खाली पूरा सर्किट को क्लीन कर रहे हैं तो पूरा सर्किट में से ब्लड अंदर चला जाएगा फिर हम लोग उसको बैक चेंज
switch off the pump clamp करो दोनों put it in circulation
attach the artery to the vein and let it continue circulating समझ में आ रहा है
rather than आप blood को circulation में रखोगे maybe some clotting ये alarm वो alarm लगेगा तो better to keep saline
समझ में आया कि नहीं समझ में आया
Same, same,
समझ
same. So now my connection is over saline bag connected for priming okay clamps open 1 2 3 4 इसमें है चलो करो
Oh, निकालो भी।
ओके हाँ ये देखो हेपेरिन लाइन यहाँ पे इन्फ्यूजन लाइन भी है 50 ml सिरिंज हम लोग लगा सकते हैं इन्फ्यूजन पंप इज देयर ओके इफ देयर इज हेपेरिन देन यू कैन कनेक्ट इट
चलो
ओके
हाँ।
so we'll start
हाँ so trace
एक सर
trace how it is going
क्लैंप पीछे क्लैंप है
हाँ।
क्लैंप ओपन करना पड़ेगा अदरवाइज मशीन will give वाला अगर कुछ नहीं
so you want to trace it कैसे जा रही है चालू नहीं हुआ ड्राइविंग चालू होने दे ड्राइविंग चालू होते ही बता ना ड्राइविंग
हाँ चालू कर दो ना,
चालू कर दो, ऑन कर।
स्टार्ट। हाँ
देख कहाँ से जा रहा है, देखना देख यहाँ से निकला, ठीक है, यहाँ से जा रहा है, दिख रहा है यहाँ से जा रहा है, हाँ अभी यहाँ से आना चाहिए, देख अभी बराबर देख। You all sit and see, but everybody can't see otherwise.
Substitute scaling.
क्या हो गया? अलार्म आ रहा है।
पहले क्लैंप था, पहले क्लैंप था, तो उधर प्रेशर सब किया
जा
था।
रहा है अभी यहाँ से? हाँ? Sure, दिखा बराबर।
हाँ सर।
जा रहे हैं ना? ओपन द साइड को जरा फील करना है इसको। हाँ, जस्ट फील इट हाफ वे, ऑलमोस्ट यहाँ तक रखते हैं हम, नॉट फुल, लेकिन फिल्टर ओके। सर इनका कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है?
Unlikely.
हैं?
Unlikely.
जस्ट वेट समझ। जनरली ट्रबल शूटिंग में क्या कहा, व्हाट आर द अलार्म?
यहाँ पे प्रॉपर है यहाँ पे
एक व्हाट आर्टरी, ऐसा नहीं पूरा बोल रहे हैं कभी, व्हाट आर्टरी। हाँ गुड, आर्टरी प्रेशर लो। हाँ गो, एक क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है, ये देखो इस क्वेश्चन मार्क को सिलेक्ट करने का, ओके करने का, वो पूरा रेमेडी भी आएगा। There is no, maybe पहला आएगा कि there is no flow from the arterial catheter, I mean arterial side, you give saline, this like venous pressure high low, venous pressure low, venous pressure low पण येऊ शकतो, ओके। उसके बाद air detector very rare, very rare, बरोबर ना? उसके बाद आएगा balancing error, TMP, लेकिन वो हाई TMP, तो मेम्ब्रेन में क्लॉटिंग है, मे बी आफ्टर 2 days प्री डायलेशन, सर बोला ना, तो क्या अलार्म क्या है मैडम बोल रहे हैं? TMP अलार्म, हाई TMP and it is reflected. TMP का ना अलार्म, there will be altogether 2 types of alarm. TMP causes. One is what? Practically clotting in the membrane, okay? Or clogging in the membrane. What is the difference between clogging and clotting? Huh?
Clotting is when the blood starts clotting. Clogging will be any kind of
Even protein layer. So mainly I will tell you, this is a membrane, okay? This is a membrane, right? Membrane. This is blood compartment, this is dialysis compartment. So dialyzer, blood in, blood out. So in between, maybe there is some small clot or something like that. Even in the membrane, there are thousands of lumens are there that will form one filter, right? So blood is passing, flowing like this, and this side there is resistance, so it will reflect high TMP. Clogging is what? Membranes has got 4 sides. 4 sides. So maybe the protein layer or lipid, whatever it is, like somewhere. So that why what is transmembrane pressure is all about, you know, dialysate. What is TMP?
pressure.
क्या आता है? What
The membrane which we use for diffusion.
So practically speaking, this is nothing but the difference between the dialysate compartment, filtrate compartment, and blood compartment. So if there is somewhere some sort of clots, clogging is there, it will reflect into one more thing. This is one more possibility. One more possibility. Maybe you know, I told you, that bag was not kept properly. और उधर से थोड़ा एयर सक कर दिया, किसमें? डायलिसिट और सब्स्टिट्यूट की बात कर रहा हूँ। डायलिसिट का somehow it will get filtrate, सब्स्टिट्यूट में क्या हो जाएगा? It will go directly introduced into the सब्स्टिट्यूट में एयर रहेगा, वेनस चेंबर में बबल कैचर में इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स ना स्मॉल एयर वगैरह एम्बोलिज्म हो चुका है लाइक दैट एंड इट इज सर्कुलेटिंग. और आपने प्री में रखा है, तो पोस्ट में रखेगा देन इट विल गिव अलार्म. प्री में रखेगा तो इट विल ट्रैवल थ्रू दी फिल्टर. तो स्मॉल माइक्रो और अदर वे प्राइमिंग ठीक से नहीं हुआ है. प्राइमिंग चालू था और दिस थिंग वाज क्लैम्प और मैं थोड़ा दूसरे पेशेंट को मैंने अटेंड करने का संदेह ले रहा है. समहाउ द माइक्रोवॉल्स गेट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इनटू द सर्किट. तो वो भी माइक्रोवॉल्स इवन इट कैन गिव द अलार्म ऑफ हाई टीएमपी. वो माइक्रोवॉल्स अगर मेम्ब्रेन में रहेंगे तो भी आ सकते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल डू, गिव सलाइन फ्लश फर्स्ट थिंग. नाउ सलाइन फ्लश कहां से देंगे? सलाइन फ्लश ऑलवेज गिव इट फ्रॉम हियर. प्री पंप है वो प्री पे कति पर डायलिसिस में भी यही रहता है. दिस इज द पॉइंट ना, दिस फॉर द सलाइन. ये उसको मार्क, आपको ब्लड भी देना है पेशेंट को, इधर से ही देना है. ओके, yeah, so it will get dialyzed and then it will given to the patient. Okay, so saline flush देना तो you can give the saline flush. So arterial pressure, venous pressure हो गया. So again and again prerequisite में क्या क्या आता है? Prerequisite में क्या क्या आता है? एक मशीन होना चाहिए. मशीन what I meant to say, मशीन होना चाहिए CRT, but वर्किंग कंडीशन भी होना चाहिए.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होना चाहिए.
Prerequisite. मेरे पास मशीन है लेकिन मेरे पास माँ है लेकिन क्या है,
लाइट है.
ओके, मींस वर्किंग मशीन. ओके, वर्किंग मशीन टेस्ट पास होना चाहिए. ओके, सेकंड कंज्यूमेबल्स, और मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंटली आपके पास क्या होना चाहिए? कंज्यूमेबल्स यहाँ से आ जाते हैं. फ्लूइड, क्योंकि कंज्यूमेबल क्या एक ही सेट लगता है. इट विल रन फॉर एटलीस्ट 1 डे 24 आवर. फ्लूइड तो 2-3 घंटे में चेंज कर. तो फ्लूइड यू शुड हैव प्रॉपर इन्वेंटरी और वहाँ मेडिकल स्टोर से नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, so multi-week solution you should have. What else? Change of tubing. इसका लाइफ है ना, मैन्युफैक्चरर जिसने यस
लास्ट ऑप्शन आता है उधर कि
अरे क्योंकि आप 3-4 दिन नहीं चलेगा मैक्सिमम.
पूछो
So sir, citrate for ethics. Sir, how to follow the citrate protocol?
So citrate तो we discussed no.
वो ऊपर वाले से लगाते हैं कि नीचे?
Citrate always free है ना?
Always free है ना?
To prevent
बेटर citrate के लिए ये यूज करो.
हाँ
आइडियली यहाँ से होना चाहिए.
हाँ ठीक है ना.
ओके, और कैल्शियम सप्लीमेंट
वो तो
हाई भी देते हैं. हाई
वो तो पेरिफेरल लाइन सेंट्रल लाइन से जाना चाहिए.
जाना चाहिए. ये जो जा रहा है ना उसमें
नहीं तो सीधा आईवी लाइन में लगा दो. कैल्शियम जो है ना यू कैन पुट इट डायरेक्टली ऑन द आईवी लाइन, सेंट्रल लाइन, एंड साइट्रेट कैन बी पुट एनीवे. एक्चुअली कैसा है, अगर रोल रेट बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाए ना साइट्रेट का तो यहाँ से डालोगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, वो अलार्म बजता है. हाँ, तो इफ यू वांट टू यूज साइट्रेट इट इज बेटर टू पुट इट वेल प्री फिल्टर इधर. हाँ इधर, तो इधर अगर लगाओगे ना साइट्रेट तो इट इज बेटर. नहीं तो इधर लगे तो अलार्म आता है, इधर आगे अलार्म चाहता है. यार इधर हम लोग नहीं तो इधर लगाते नॉर्मली हम इधर लगाते क्लोजर टू द पंप, नहीं तो अलार्म ये वाला अलार्म बजेगा. समझ. सो आइदर हियर और हियर, दिस इज आइडियल. अवे फ्रॉम जस्ट बिफोर द फिल्टर, तो यहाँ पे लगा सकते हैं साइट्रेट.
सर ब्लड
तो जब हम कैल्शियम साइट्रेट कर रहे हैं ना, तो साइट्रेट कहाँ से निकाल रहे हैं हम लोग फॉर प्री फिल्टर करते हैं ना, प्री फिल्टर एंड पोस्ट फिल्टर करते हैं. पोस्ट समझ में आ रहा है, प्री पंप एंड पोस्ट पंप. तो पोस्ट इज फॉर रिप्लेसिंग कैल्शियम. मतलब वो कहाँ से निकालने का, यहाँ से नहीं निकालने का, उसको पहले सेंट्रल लाइन से निकालने का. समझ में आ रहा है. We take out that post filter from the central line, not from post filter here. Take it from there because हम कैल्शियम क्या कर रहे हैं, बॉडी में डाल रहे हैं.
So total calcium देख रहे हैं ना?
Total calcium.
For the ionized calcium के लिए.
हाँ कौन सा? No, anyways, ionized calcium also we can take from here, no problem. Okay, take the ionized calcium from here. Pre filter जो करना है, जो साइट्रेट के लिए, वो हम लोग प्री फिल्टर लेंगे. हाँ. समझ में आ रहा है. प्री फिल्टर जो होता है, प्री पंप जिसको बोलते हैं, वो यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. ये वो भी यहाँ वहाँ से ले सकते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है, प्री फिल्टर. लेकिन जो पोस्ट रहता है, वो कहाँ से लेने का? बॉडी में से, सेंट्रल लाइन में से. वो हमको रिप्लेस करना पड़ता है. समझ में आ रहा है. प्री फिल्टर एंड कैल्शियम एंड साइट्रेट वाला. हाँ ठीक है. But as far as possible, we want to use it. We want to use heparin as much as possible. Citrate calcium में अलग problems होते हैं. We'll discuss when we actually talk about when I talk about dosing and how to do it, what to do. Dialysis में क्या करेंगे, rhabdomyolysis में क्या करेंगे, या यूरेमिया में क्या करेंगे. वो अलग अलग doses ही अलग अलग है. यूरेमिया में क्या होगा, अगर अमोनिया ज़्यादा है, लैक्टिक एसिड होता है क्या करने का, जो अलग रहता है वो. We will discuss that when we come to dosing. ठीक है? Done? Any questions?
Any questions, please?
Any questions?
Handling, priming, troubleshooting. प्रैक्टिकल कुछ है तो आई एम एप्लीकेशन.
अगर समझ लो कभी भी कुछ बंद हो गया तो क्या करने का, समझ लो.
हाँ.
समझ लो ऐसा हो गया कि कुछ अलार्म बज रहा है, कुछ अलार्म बज रहा है और क्या करना चाहिए. अलार्म बज रहा है तो अलार्म साइलेंस करके कोई मतलब नहीं है. अलार्म बज रहा है तो क्या.
सर एक मिनट. कोई अलार्म तो या तो रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा, ऑडियो तो आ जाएगा, राइट. द मैसेज विल कम. यू फॉलो दिस. सर यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है.
व्हेन यू प्रेस द क्वेश्चन मार्क, तो ग्रीन कलर के क्वेश्चन मार्क इधर बाजू में आएगा.
सिलेक्ट करके ओके कर दो. 1 2 3 4 ये करो, वो करो, लाइक लगा. उससे भी नहीं हो रहा है देन क्या क्या अलार्म, वो पंप क्या, व्हाट आर द अलार्म दैट विल स्टॉप द पंप. आर्टेरियल प्रेशर अलार्म, वेनस प्रेशर अलार्म और एयर इंडिकेटर अलार्म, राइट. So that means the alarms related to extracorporeal circuit. Blood leak है ये, तो ही you will get the pump will stop. Otherwise pump तो चलते रहेगा. Only other pumps will stop. If it is the balancing alarm, heater वगैरह जो रहेगा ना, even the heater alarm also, it is related to fluid, not blood.
So divide the alarms into two parts.
Yes.
Whether it is extracorporeal or whether it is the treatment part. समझ में आ रहा है. एक्स्ट्रा कॉर्पोरल वर्सेस ट्रीटमेंट पार्ट. तो ये पार्ट जो है एक्स्ट्रा कॉर्पोरल हो गया. ये जो लाल वाला पूरा एक्स्ट्रा कॉर्पोरल हो गया. Up to red and blue becomes extracorporeal, whereas these alarms are there. So when there is an extracorporeal alarm, it is dangerous to the patient because the blood is going to the patient.
That's why it will stop.
It's coming and going to patient. No, so immediately the machine stops that. If the alarm is something else, no, like जैसे balancing हो गया, ये हो गया, तो ये सब हो गया, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
So एक dangerous, सबसे डेंजर अलार्म जो है ना, because you know we have got almost 20-25 ml का venous chamber है, big enough. Despite of having this good blood volume in the chamber, it is giving air detector alarm. That means something is there, that microphone already somewhere got stuck. Okay, that time खाली reset नहीं करना है. First step what you do? हाँ?
नहीं वो तो ठीक है. That's agree. What do you do first?
First step.
First step, if you get an alarm that says
Because this
air
is
detector हो गया.
safety to the patient.
हाँ.
So just switch off the pump. पंप को खाली स्टॉप करना है. ओके, क्लैम्प करके सर्कुलेशन में रख दो. पेशेंट को प्रॉपरली फ्लश करके कैथेटर रख दो. एंड यू जस्ट ट्राई, पेशेंट के साथ डोंट ट्राई टू मॉनिटर और
So basically disconnect.
Yes.
हाँ. Take this blue connector. कहाँ गया वो? हाँ ये blue connector को
और
artery और vein को साथ में लगा दो. Blue connector लगाने के बाद.
राइट.
Okay, this is what you first do. Okay, after clamping everything. Then
कैथेटर को सिक्योर कर दो, प्रॉपरली फ्लश वगैरह करके रख दो. 5 ml. ओके, सलाइन डाल के रख देना. ओके, देन यू कनेक्ट सलाइन ओवर हियर. ये जो अपना pre in the sense of flushing वगैरह के लिए, this is the port. You just connect because you know maybe there is some suction or anything is there, no? This saline will, and then try to see exactly where the air column is there.
So it is only this circuit to see ना. अभी जो हमने extracorporeal circuit बात
Yes.
किया, उधर का ही प्रॉब्लम है.
Yes.
मतलब इधर से लेके इसके अंदर से लेके इसके अंदर से लेके इसके अंदर से जो निकल रहा है, इतना ही प्रॉब्लम है.
So why I suggested recirculation, because if anything is there that will come across the circuit, somewhere it will get filtered out.
So when you put the water, that's why we always attach it over here. That's why we attach the fluid over here.
Yes.
So the moment every time it is on, our fluid always set हम लोग बंद करके रखते हैं. जब हम उसको आर्टरी टू लगाते हैं, इसको पंप ऑन कर देते हैं, तो इसके अंदर से पानी जाता है.
Right.
और पूरा जो भी है वो then you figure out किधर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
Exactly. And one more advantage is that sir, ये viscous रहता है, viscosity ज्यादा रहता है. When you add saline, you know, viscous solution में that air will not travel. It will slow. It will travel in the like solution में easily travel हो जाएगा. Viscous solution में viscosity ज्यादा रहेगा तो it will. That's why always better to connect the saline over here. Circulate it for at least 5 minutes. No alarm is there. Then switch off this clamp and restart.
ठीक है, it's very simple. Don't try to make it complex.
Yes.
Anything more complex than this na is not going to help.
No sir, why
Okay, difficult हो
why
जाता
I
है,
told
हाँ.
them because generally there are some bad practices sir.
हाँ.
What they will do, they will not remove the
Oh, no,
problem.
dangerous
And they will
it is.
so
हाँ.
ultimately if at all any bubble is there, it will travel to the patient. Okay, so that's why disconnect the patient को save कर दो. Even machine, our new machine, वो पूरा guidance देती हो.
हाँ.
You
Attach.
disconnect. नहीं, disconnect the patient. पंप चलता ही नहीं sir.
When you're putting this water and all, be careful, because see this entire machine is just one motherboard. This machine is just one, एक पतला सा बोर्ड इसके पीछे एक बोर्ड है, खाली एक ऐसा बोर्ड है, ये खाली है पूरा अंदर कुछ नहीं है, इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है, ये इतना बड़ा डब्बा है लेकिन अंदर कुछ नहीं है, खाली एक बोर्ड है ये. हाँ, तो उसके अंदर अगर जब पानी चला गया ना तो खत्म, एवरीथिंग गेट्स स्पॉइल्ड. सो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट फास्ट कुछ जल्दी घाई में नहीं करने का. हाँ, और पानी गिरता है, इधर उधर गिरता है, फिर पानी गिरते इसके अंदर से चला जाएगा, इसके अंदर से चला जाएगा, ये प्लास्टिक वाले तो लगा रखा उन्होंने, समझ में आ रहा है. हाँ, इसके अंदर से चला, इस बाजू में से अंदर चला जाएगा, एक बार अंदर चला गया, इसके मदरबोर्ड पे लग गया. दैट इज द हार्ट ऑफ द मशीन. उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे, लाखों का नुकसान हो जाता है. समझ में आ रहा है. ये बार हुआ है हमारे आईसीयू में, बार हुआ है कि भाई पानी अंदर गया, बिकॉज गलती में फास्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, पानी इधर उधर हो जाता है, पानी अंदर घुस जाता है, वो नहीं जाना चाहिए उसके अंदर पानी. ठीक है. हाँ, एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस यू हैव हियर? So when you return, you explain how to return it, right? How to send it back inside the body. End of treatment.
हाँ नहीं, end of treatment different.
दिखा दो जरा.
हाँ, end of treatment में once
So when you are finished, treatment is over. अभी कैसा है, ये मशीन में ना 72 आवर्स के बाद एक अलार्म आएगा. Kindly terminate 72 hours up. ये हर टाइम होता है हमारी मशीन में अलार्म. After 72 hours it come. End of treatment, kindly return the blood. ऐसा आएगा अलार्म, रेड कलर का अलार्म आता है. तभी क्या करने का? Okay?
हाँ, so you want to terminate the patient, I mean terminate the treatment. You know what you do for the end of the treatment. Go to the end of the treatment. Okay, then it will ask you reinfusion. That means you are reinfusing the blood to the patient, returning the blood to the patient. So connect it to the saline. यहाँ से disconnect करके
तो दोनों डिस्कनेक्ट करोगे, एक डिस्कनेक्ट करोगे, आर्टरी
Yes,
डिस्कनेक्ट
yes.
करोगे. Only the artery is disconnected. हाँ, then
maybe reinfusion volume 200, 220 जो भी सेट किया है ना, सेट है 250 वगैरह. ओवरऑल ना इसका है 100 प्लस 145, 245 का उसका वैल्यू, तो मे बी 230, 240 उसका प्रीसेट वैल्यू रहता है. नॉट नेसेसरी, यू कैन गिव सम मोर saline also. Once this optical sensor detects saline instead of blood, opaque non opaque हो जाएगा ना, तो अभी saline detect करेगा, then it will display there terminate करना है और reinfusion, terminate or continue reinfusion. So if you want to give some more saline, there is no need, I mean no point in giving the extra saline to the patient, right? So then that time just terminate कर दो. Terminate के बाद you will able to remove, जैसा मैंने लगाया था ना वैसे start reset करके एक करके. How to remove this? कैसा काटते हैं इसको, कैसा निकालते हैं? ये जो ये भरा
हुआ रहेगा ना पानी के साथ.
हाँ, बोला था ना मैंने कैसा काटता है. ये इसको कैसा निकालते हैं, भरा हुआ रहता है ना.
हेलो,
हाँ
बोलो.
अरे आप लोग टर्मिनेट करते हैं ना, तो आप
जिसका
ये ऐसा निकाल
हाथ
लेते
हो
हैं
रहा
इजीली. वो
हाँ.
इट इज फील्ड ना,
सभी
ऐसा नहीं
निकलेगा.
निकलेगा.
वो लोग ने लास्ट कल रात को नाम बोल दिया.
कैसे एम्प्टी करने का?
नहीं, वो हम लोग को भी, मेरे को भी आवाज नहीं था, कल रात को डिसाइड किया उन्होंने कि रहना है.
ये देखो, ये बैग है ना,
बोला
दोनों
तरुण सर को बोलना कि वो है करके.
दिस बैग पुट इट डाउन विद ग्रेविटी, दिस थिंग विल पूरा स्क्वीज हो जाएगा. सर
क्या बोला?
ये फील्ड है ना, हीटर बैग, वो ऐसा निकलेगा नहीं.
नहीं, उसको एम्प्टी करना पड़ेगा.
अरे सब कुछ नहीं करना.
हाँ.
ये दो बैग है ना,
उसको नीचे कर देने का.
नीचे कर दो, ग्रेविटी से पूरा खाली हो जाएगा.
तो जब भी ये रहता है ना, जब भी ये फुल रहता है, ये निकलेगा नहीं है.
हाँ.
खींच के नहीं निकालना उसको. उसको नीचे करो, पूरा निकल जाता है ग्रेविटी से, पूरा पानी निकल
अरे
जाएगा.
पूरा
हाँ.
एकदम सिंपल वे, राइट.
दूसरा ऑप्शन इज जस्ट टू ओपन इट फ्रॉम हियर, जस्ट कीप इट डाउन, निकल जाएगा पानी. हाँ, ठीक है.
ओके.
हाँ,
और कुछ?
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू वेरी मच.